You ever seen a bus driver drink Kwntucky Owl Bourbon? Stay tuned. Welcome back to ADHD Fishing. My name is Matt. Tonight, we're getting a little bit crazy. How crazy? Well, it's a good question. Pretty flippin' crazy. Tonight, a bus driver reviews Kentucky Owl Bourbon Batch 9. Yeah, I'm serious. It's weird, but it's true. This bottle was given to me by a very generous, handsome southerner who goes by the name of Dixon Dedman. The story on this is amazing. This label, look at that label. Oh, she's a gorgeous looking bottle. I don't even want to open it. Kentucky Owl, Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. Every batch of Kentucky Owl Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey is a celebration of the rebirth of my family's brand. It is for that reason I'm committed to craft every batch to be the best representation I can create. This is amazing. Never thought I'd have one of these. I never thought I would see one of these on a shelf of a store. So strange. I went into Justin's House of Bourbon in Lexington, in Lesbian, Kentucky. That's not a place. This is literally the coolest gift I have ever received. It is that cool. It says right here, it says it's the wise man's bourbon. And I mean, no one's ever came out and said I was a wise man. But Dixon gave me this bottle, and I don't think he would have given it to me had I not been a wise man. So that's now on my resume. Bottle number 704. 704. That's like my BMI. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Because initially I wanted to have this bottle. Well, when he gave me this bottle, I said, dude, this is your celebration bottle for some time down the road when you have something magnificent to celebrate. This is it. This is the one you open. This is the Mecca. This is a bourbon I've always wanted and would never have. This was number one on my list. How many bus drivers have a chance to drink this stuff? One. Thank goodness it's me. Dixon, if you ever watch this video, this is what you get for giving a bus driver this fantastic bourbon. You gave the bus driver bourbon, now you gotta watch it go down the hatch. Okay. That is some plastic right there. That's some good plastic. There are no EPCs in that plastic. There are no PCAs or... Oh. Time to decappa the owl's tape from his body. Time to kappa the owl's cork from its head. Yep. Now we're gonna wanna get it right here. Right? The bottom of the cork. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh. You don't teach those skills in basic knife training classes. Advanced, that's where you gotta go for that. And then the second note there. Oh boy, there she is. All right, now the knife's duties are done. Go ahead, close that before I put that through my stomach on accident. Would not be good. Safety first, right? There we are. All right, moment we've all been waiting for. Let's do this. America. Good grief. That felt good. America. 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 America, America, America. Look at that cork. How beautiful that is. All right, first pour. That smells creamy already. Creamy and dreamy, they might say. Oh boy, oh mother. All right. I guess a little bit of cheers is in order. Cheers. All right, folks, here we go. Let's go in on the nose. Get a little swirl. The instructions say best enjoyed neat. Give some time to breathe and then enjoy it neat. So what I'm gonna do is everybody get back. Everybody stand back, let it breathe. Let it breathe. And my bed should smell like you. Every discovery dumped in brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Okay, I think we've let it breathe enough. If not, sorry. I just can't wait any longer. Let's give this whole thing a smell. Blueberries. Blueberries. Ripe friggin' blueberries. It smells like I'm wading through a blueberry patch with a bucket. A bucket. I'm just walking through and I'm like, ripe one, ripe one, ripe one, ooh, mushy one, ripe one for like 7 hours. You should only take 2 hours, but I ate 5 hours worth. Hard to get past those blueberries because they are so strong. It's like, that's like a blueberry, a blueberry tobacco. Never seen it, but Dixon just created it in here. How did you do that, Dixon? How did you make blueberry tobacco in bourbon form? That's what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting on my old nose. My nose has been pretty on point lately. What else? A little bit nervous smelling this. It's like giving nosing notes to a master. Oh man, shouldn't have thought of that. Now I'm even more nervous. Heart rate's about 350. Heart rate's right up there with my weight. Heart rate and weight. Heart rate and weight. 350. Yeah, it's got some leather on there. It's got some dark. Ooh, what is that? What is that? That smells wonderful, but what is it? Ooh. Cinnamon. 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 Got past the blueberries, took a left turn at tobacco, and then into a wall of cinnamon. Whoa! Cinnamon. I see you. See you put up a wall, cinnamon. I see you, cinnamon. Oh, it's changing. Okay, this is opening up. I think that's the right words. Vanilla's like a vanilla extract. This is, okay, whatever the hell's in this bottle, wherever he got it from, whatever he did to blend it, he must have used a magic wand, a magic stirring stick. Blueberries, cinnamon, tobacco, vanilla extract, magic wand, abracadabra, bippity boppity bourbon. That's delicious smelling. I don't even want to taste it. Done. Can just sit here and just smell it all day. Holy crap. Good gravy. This is not even... I've never seen... Okay. You know when you first start dating someone you eventually have a long-term relationship with? Okay, let's not even go that far. Let's say you slept with somebody who smelled really good. And the next morning they leave. And then you roll over onto the pillow and you smell them and you're like, oh, glorious. Oh, glorious. Smell that. Would you just get your nose right in there and smell that? I have no business drinking this. I have no business smelling this. I have no business. Oh, lordy, goodness gracious. Oranges too. Ooh, a little bit of chocolate orange. Chocolate orange blueberry tobacco cinnamon. Oh, yep. Here comes the Labrador right on cue. Smells good, huh? She's got a good nose on her. She's like the Fred Minnick of Labrador Retrievers. So it says that can be enjoyed by the casual drinker or by the serious drinker. So I let it breathe. Smelled it for several hours. I guess now it's time to give it the old taste-a-roo. Cheers, Dixon. Thank you. Bing! Down the hatch. What in the world just happened? Oh. Oh, America. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. This is too... Man almighty, goodness gracious. How did he even get the stuff to put in there? Is what I want to know. Like, what did he put in there? Straight, it's like he bottled excellence. He found excellence somewhere and bottled it. Wow. I don't even... What is that? That is like a... That's like a Christmas breakfast. That is a Christmas breakfast. It's like French toast. Yep. French toast. It's got made with a real nice bread. Real nice thick fat bread. Slathered in butter and just fried up with cinnamon. Oh my gosh. And syrup on top of it with like a cinnamon roll. Oh my gosh. That is, okay, you drink it, you take a sip, and then it goes boom, and it explodes on your palate. It explodes on your palate like that Moab bomb explodes on other countries who have wronged America. That'll probably get me kicked off of YouTube just talking about freedom. It like changes into breakfast. Just boom, breakfast. Wow. And then the finish is forever. I still taste French toast. Oui, it's so good. As a casual bourbon drinker, I could enjoy this. As a casual bourbon drinker, I enjoy this a lot. I wonder what a serious bourbon drinker would think. I need to work on my posture because my posture is not proper. Can somebody turn that music off, please? Somebody turn the music off. And some of these lights. Too much light in here. It's a distraction. It's a distraction to my drinking of bourbon. I'm a serious bourbon drinker. Seriously. Turn off the music, I said. Has to be dead quiet for me to enjoy my bourbon. If this bourbon will even be enjoyable. America. Okay, no. Doesn't matter. Serious bourbon drinker, casual bourbon drinker, that is good. That is freaking good. Goodness gracious. How did you do that? Ooh, I've never had a bourbon just overwhelm me with so much flavor. That's crazy. I'm blown away. I am blown away. I don't know what to say. This Kentucky, okay, I gotta take this off because I can't be that serious all the time. Dixon Dedman, whatever you do, wherever you do it, however you do it, keep doing it, man. This is something special. This is something that you bring over to a friend's house, you bring over to a loved one's house, you pour it and you all just sit around, you are all amazed by what's in your glass and you're all amazed by awesome, wonderful company. This is something that can be enjoyed just with, man, I can't wait to have a pour this with my dad. That's what I'm saying. I think that'll be a good time. This is the best bourbon I've ever had, hands down. I'm not just saying that because Dixon gave it to me. I could have just said it's really good. But no, this is something special. Dixon, you'd make your great grandfather proud, for sure. This is something to be proud of, and I am blessed to have this in my possession and blessed to be able to drink it and to share it. And I want to say thank you. So, again, this is out of this world. You have a knack for blending whiskey, my friend, and you're also super nice. So, a couple good things going on right there. Not bad looking either. You're no bus driver, but you're a handsome feller. So I guess that does it for this review of Kwntucky Owl Bourbon Batch 9. I mean, I know I was really specific and probably over detailed. Probably spoke above a lot of people's vocabulary. It's okay, you'll catch up. But what I want to say is thanks to everyone for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of a jackass I am for getting a bottle of this, because I sure feel like I don't deserve it. My name is Matt, this is ADHD Fishing. Like I always say, keep your head in the clouds, but your mind on blending the best whiskey in the world.